Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer bacon wrap brat bites. Let's begin. We have here some bacon and a tray of brats. We also have here some brown sugar that we already poured some into a bowl. We're going to take the brat and cut into 4 pieces. Just like that. There's 4 pieces. We're going to take a bacon and cut it into 3 pieces. There you go. We're going to take the brat and wrap the bacon around it. And secure it with a toothpick. Just like that. Take another one, do the same thing. And secure it with the toothpick. There we go. Let's finish up the rest real quick. Okay, last one. Wrap the bacon around it. And then secure it with a toothpick. Just like that. We have here some brown sugar. And we're going to take the bacon wrap brat bites and dip it in the brown sugar. There you go, that's one. Dip in the brown sugar. That's 2. And we'll finish up the rest real quick. Okay, last one. Dip in the brown sugar. And we're looking good. I'm going to change out my gloves. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. And now let's put in the bacon wrap brat bites. For this video, we're only making the first batch. Last one. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 15 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 7 minutes so far. We're close to the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Just going to flip them over. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. Okay, they're all flipped over, and now let's put it back in for the last 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer bacon wrap brat bites. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.